Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel. To kon ka lerum kon linguasme. Lerba linguasme kadiri tentore which kamalakal ka Greater Penal State. Kandir totone akan bukon kalingone. Ne to kon tere which kamalakal dear kalong gwi kanan wo ba Greater Penal ki malakal ba jamak jejen bor dear mo jaten jen bana kweno Kenya baro jadana chala to netin kontin la kwar dine nying SSPDF kana police netin kontin tere which kamalakal ban mandan lat kana ban jeling kana tin kontin to kana to kontin la civilian re which kamalakal Kenya ba jalat ka thoknath ka kora ba jakwen ya ka tok English Brahma kabro do bro chu kabdor ka kan tuk dang ro to ka jan lara me shit kamen ngai kona na wan nan go telmo gwa mutwo katin kon lat karodian ka Greater Penal State ka jan gwa sama ka ta dana chiku me dung South Sudan chicken and goron o bikan dech bikan nangre which kamalaka ka kanasar gwa sama ne ne tungwana long karoja inshallah wa ken chigi dier long kata danen shikume men tipinkir ma yadit SSPDF chicken de mo jikana lon pin we ka Nasser ne re konti ka malakal ken kula diero kata danen malakal wa yoko jelong ka jen jende ni mo ko ngai kana gwa no mo de nyu ka tongomi ka beta ka kurm botwok ka Nasser amana malakal bone be bejelong kata dan beta gaja en malakal tine no wan tegatin ne de content ke unimis kan ne de content rar ka do be dan jagu jeno te to malte tene wan te rar lo sheng na da wich dino tema ke jen move me ke chang chala la ne SSPDF nan kan de ni nan kan Nasser che malakal che jako be te ka dwal mendit no mo gwi kenen won ba na ba ko nek re which ka Nasser kinan kai de ni ko bugo nyen ka ji Nasser ni kon tila Nuer re which ka Nasser at la civilian ki je jambor ko je jambor ka ne ka ngana which shikne te la jikume te ku te la de ni shirkamen te espele mayo te men te soma te point en SSPDF ken bonton ko ken kan ne de gangana which te dier kan ka which talaga tet ko te ga kum dier mter kana lat kanu ngumi nakane de ni ga jamon de ni la ka nan kare wi kana sar bu kan goro bu kan nyeng ne ke bu kan ne nak ka lo ka jok janda na la men lat kana ana me ken kirm yadi kan ire konen dong guje gwano dong de ke de mi de ka nan ka Nasser ko gui kenen go mi shadi mi charanga Nasser de civilian de ga dwal ke tele mi dong de kan le chang maka ka ke la ke jek ke na ka bane de ga dwal ke jen je di de dan nan kare wucin binemi nang SSPDF re wi kan Nasser chene to wan long chaga mo ke dier ka ko gui ke jen o bi ko tong no kore wucin binemi ende jen chanang edich chalka agwelek force ko kor gwa zedan ko jen tege pin General Johnson uloin and agwelek force fone ko gwa zedan e shi ulun charo linkene kirme yadit shi ulun yugo jeno ba di baje integrated ke baje lela dich SSPDF la Sudan People Defense Force kan an galwe agwelek force mo try to look agwelek force yuden dial katet dong mete ber tande ga ber tot kama dong te kan wer tande ga wer tot maden kel kanede ko kende ni ko kende shamaten ala agwelek force ko ikelong ko iken ka kan ka wayam ne kan te nying tat chergen ka wayam ki je jambor ko kanede gangane tat karo do me shi kana me shi Johnson ku jeno shi ga mat kene kim yadi to gono no de ke integrate ke de mare re buna man la dung SSPDF chwalo ko ke je en ken atuk duel kel telemen de ka matre SSPDF ke je ko SSPDF a combination of many forces from different tribe she shy specific tribe ki dorkel one jen cha jen de la region so choken lo kan integrated kana maten antama mi order benene ko sha point de nen wudu shalo nya cha kam bom ko be medial baka wo tol ka great happenal state ka bom na sha gu je ko jen kwange je ga tet jen take boni jen take babure gwatu na tan da ka longa baga nang baga transport kana chiga mishane ne no nang ke boni ke babure ke nyinka mi ram ngai te kon lat ko rin ko kore ko network jen 2014 2015 2016 baga 17 buku je me ke le de ngaje no Johnson min take babure ka te la ma je da tan ke ne kon te ku kele la nyinka ja no mo cha gu jeno ko jan te ka long te ka long an wo ka na ser ke re yir ke bon ke na babur so ku ju mo cha kam long mo ko te ram kam ka long mo bang sha chi o ti ka long mi cha gu jeno bolat cha chu kwan anyok second to that and wo ba je mat general kwang chora le no ba matin lo bala kwere ndo dien me buka wokel ka nasir o jana ga nasir ko kuje mo ngaja nasir o dob do wede ngum to ko ne and all that keno dong be jinasir baka convince ko ram kel ka nasir da ta ka long no de disarmament de carry out they made the captain ale ko dong be ke jeno buka kwang chora le buka na los ko guardian na mo jana danen chalat ne de kon pin kirma yadi ko point de kirma yadi ana me kana wagwa kani de kon la civilian re which can answer ajen kwal gu jan tama kik bita penal state miche korme to ka nasir da je wadak man malakal ko malakal ajen besen didan te ne wanten nasir kantin jen munyo da gwa me don te miche to ka nasir de ne kon la je jimbo de kan wona malakal namo je dwal no ngane kon la civilian re wi ka nasir ka dob danen ciraju mo to ko jan Ramkel Mela Major General Joseph Mayen, Jena ran a panel, Jeramdala Police Commissioner, you know. Jenamotin cha Yorpin, Kuma Shaga Beger, a Jenny Mot Shaga Beger, Telangota by Yorpin, Telangota Bager, ko Miss Kum Jailarno ba date by Yin Nang Tong Mika, Greater Panel, Kirkanasser, Cha Moto Shaga Binyogomagarica, you know. Major General Joseph Mayen, the Apanal State Police Commissioner, stated that the deployment is a part of government plan and is not subject to change. Ajane cha telongon magarga telongon bager. Jen ngor dana cha yor pinyo kum kujimo cha bunyo ko magarga. Anyok Major General Michael Majok, ka Division 2 Commander, Ajane kan denin kono nanke re wika nasir kan chiga dente wukkor ke dente wa गर्ने te kon la troop ki dente kon de re wik te jane re wika nasir akan गर्ने komone shi o te ke meto wa kap kale ki wo ke nyin kale na me teleja misi ajelin ka roine kono chalat ala kos ngai kono nying de chiga tla ngai ken ngulet kana plan de no wodi na shane no mi chero order chero de change model chero de change cha ka de jugo no chwa wo kana sir we mean that take a different plan ka nasir no mo jenda nong dwal kum we talk an me lo bala kor ba be jamat re which ka great happenal state ko shabu gwa governor jematu dokram dana la kor great happenal state jene dial yo jogo no e chwar mandana shala te ka kor manangare kana sir ki te ka kor ben ka malakal jene na mo ke liwe kach teleme betuok jene ko bom ke liu jatana median de beno kre kuma ka machanga je kuma te dial ngi no te kor me be ke te kor ma kap nasir jente dial to ne chiga to ka kai ne ku je mo chwa jeleng jero ya dan shala da governor James Odoko no mane jene dunda program le ne jene wone ko ki malka gune no malba ben ko kujimo gone yo kan dia la tin cha liang cha wen to ajene ke kaine gone yo ba ka pal ajene less SSPDF force amela military ajene telemi nong dwalten cause chicken wuka koru ganenter ajen do budanan chelat ke ajene male dane cha tanya kirmi yadit kene dakriyo ma chatting ngodaten mal run kin dangre wal badek kuyimo telmo goro de na dwal kajam anyoka no unified force ba jala slet ngode gore la phase 1 ke phase nyam cha jala let ne te nyam ne ro den tama jena ngot ka ba kon ngej ba kul nyolat de dong de kul let chit ke manana chalat re wi ke juba ano ko korpen ne dangwal bakel dong de dial de ka tu ke de ka to ko korpen dam wan de ni de ka train ngan dial ko de kan de ko wol nyoko ma daga kare wi ken kuin gwin ben so na me tel men nong dierten ban je cholin kel ke dobran chara ge ka tok English. Residents of Malakal town in Upper Nile State have been gripped by fear and panic following rumor of an impending attack by army civilians from Nasser County and surrounding areas. The anxiety stems from the recent deployment of South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) to Nasser County, located 185 kilometers from Malakal. Military officials have described the move as a part of routine troop rotation. Reports indicate that some elements of the recently integrated Agwelek force led by General Johnson Oluny, as well as members of local militia, are among the SSPDF forces sent to Nasser. Authorities, including the state governor, police commissioner, and military officials, have moved swiftly to reassure citizens, urging calm and dismissing the rumors as baseless. They have emphasized that the deployment is a standard military operation and not a prelude to conflict or disarmament. The panic began after the SSPDF forces left Malakal for Nasser on Bach earlier this week to replace troops stationed there for an extended period. Major General Joseph Mayen, the Upper Nile State Police Commissioner, stated that the deployment is a part of a government plan and is not subject to change. However, the movement of troops has fueled rumors of potential clash in Nasser, with fear that violence could spill over into Malakal. After the badges left, we saw citizens deserting the town in panic. Major General Mayen said, "We want to reassure them that the police are deployed to protect citizens in Malakal. There's no need for panic. Nothing will happen in Malakal." He appealed to the public to remain calm and continue their daily activities, stressing that security forces are committed to maintaining peace and stability. Major General Michael Majok, the Division II commander, issues these sentiments, clarifying that the troop rotation is a routine military exercise and not indicative of any disarmament campaign. He dismissed rumors suggesting that army civilians in Nasser were planning to attack Malakal in retaliation for the SSPDF deployment. "We are at peace in Malakal," Major General Majok said. "The rotation of forces is a standard practice and does not signify any escalation. We assure citizens there's no cause for alarm." Governor James Odok Oyai also addressed the public, emphasizing the government's commitment to peace and stability in Upper Nile State. He urged residents to ignore the rumors and trust in the authorities' ability to maintain security. "Our program is peace, and all levels of government are dedicated to peace," Governor Oyai said. "We want to stop these rumors that cause instability. The deployment of SSPDF is a military matter and should not be a source of fear." The deployment has highlighted ongoing tension between the SSPDF and army civilians in Nasser, who have rejected the arrival of new forces from Malakal. Local communities in Nasser have called for a unified force to be sent to the area instead. The 2018 peace agreement signed by President Salva Kiir and First Vice President Riek Machar, leader of the SPLM-IO, mandated to the unification of army groups. However, progress has been slow and political tension remains high as the country prepares for its first post-independence election scheduled for December 2026. Jenna Moshe Lingon Guasame, Lajne Conantica Malakal Chinadwal, we can obi army, because which Malakal became a mark, Kodobran Chalat Keje. Kade kana mak nimi dong chanasser charge kulokon yan majani recon la dini ko chagu jano midej me charge bo kap chonga kani the content tipinker me yadi chagu jano na me violation kamal dana shatan anyok gang civilian rodin ban lero den ba jilen lin katin kono to gre which can answer mitem chiro de gerten and if ya take mal bye bye.